What's going on, guys? ZX-10 Griff back at it again. Here today we got another install video, and we're going to open up a package, a goodie package that was sent from RaceBikeBitz. Alright guys, these guys, I contacted them, got with them on some things, and sent me out something to get your boy right on the street. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get this package open, and I'll show y'all what we're doing the install on today. But definitely something both cosmetic and performance, I guess you can kind of say. I'll walk through with you guys on some of the things. Oh, that's pretty cool. RaceBikeBitz, guys. They got me squared away. As you may see, Samco hoses. Yeah, that's gonna pop on the black. I already know it. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. They even gave me a key tag to show y'all the different colors. That's pretty dope right there. I like that. I like the gray. Some pretty good colors, guys. You guys got selection of variety of choices, and I believe they also gave me a color chart as well. But whenever we start the install video, I'll take a pause and I'll go over the colors and give a better show of the colors. But needless to say, RaceBikeBitz, shout out to them. They're the GOATs. Get your boy squared away. And yeah, guys, another install video here, and we're going to be getting this taken care of here in 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, we're back. Got the bike out the garage. I'm gonna do another preview and a walk around before, so that way we have an after at the end of the video once done with the installation. So great, amazing customer service, got me taken care of. Very helpful with suggestions, opinions, anything you're looking on or for your bike. And I even got a display board to put up in the garage whenever I'm done with all this. But this is, you got that OEM. You can tell just by the look of it, just they give the better quality than OEM. I don't know the exact specs off the top of my head, but I shall dig up some screenshots and upload them. The kit I went with is gonna delete this plastic piece, I believe. So it's just one longer piece of a hose. Let's go ahead and get this done. And when we be back, maybe this will be done. All right, guys, we're back. We're about to go ahead and drain this coolant. Then after that, we're going to go ahead and take off the hose. I didn't do the whole slide of me going ahead and what's it called? Didn't do the whole slide of me taking off the fairings. I mean, if you're taking off, if you're going to do a coolant flush or changing your hoses, I would imagine that you know a little something about taking your fairings off automatically.
All right, guys, we're back. We got the hose off, so we just need to line it up with the correct hose that I'm supposed to use with it. Just had to get some of these from AutoZone. A little bit on the thin side, but we made them work nonetheless. Then I believe these clamps are all the same sizes. Yeah, I think they're the same sizes. So I think we go in there, 35, 35. 35, yeah, all the clamps are the same. So we just need to figure out which way the hose go. Okay, that goes there. And that water is clear, so we good and flush, baby. All right, let's get her started, guys. Letting it cool down now so I can check the level and make sure everything's good. But while waiting on that to cool down, I'm gonna just go over some of the options you have for the hose colors. You got this yellow one, you got this green one, it's pretty goated. Got this gray, hold on, let me start from the black. You got this style of black, which I like this. This is kind of a little vibe to that. Then you got this other black color, which I think is like the classic color. And you have the black in itself. Have the orange, and you already know what I went with. I went with that red. Red make that thing pop. Also, again, shout out to RaceBikeBitz for getting me sorted out and getting me take care with these beautiful hoses for Samco. Guys, they're great to deal with. Any questions you have, you can contact them. I'll link their description in the video. Again, huge shout out to them for getting me squared away. They answer all my questions and they hooked your boy up. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and get a cold start going, and I'll do a walk around and showcase the hoses on the bike.
Hello, hello.
right, guys. Nevertheless, love, live life. Guys, take it easy, stay blessed, stay safe out there riding, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
I got some friends that don't understand.